You hear me? Yeah. Great. Okay. Nice to see you. Nice to be here and see all the familiar faces here. It's been a couple of years since I've been talking in Web Analytics Wednesday last time. Back then my speech was about making web analytics for everybody and making it easy. And I'm gonna continue with that theme. Also, you will see that I'll come there. It was good that Michael, you didn't mention too much web analytics. Unfortunately, I will use those words for my presentation. So this could be a bit more about traditional web analytics terms. So my name is Pekka, Koskinen, come from Snoobi. I'm responsible of technology development, trying to figure out what's wrong with web analytics nowadays and what kind of technical solutions should we do to make web analytics easy and for everybody. I believe that web analytics is something that everybody that has a website should have. We see that, for example, Google Analytics has been widely adopted, but still how you use the data to get some benefits, there's huge things that needs to be improved there. It's also the same thing with our customers. The challenge isn't anymore about getting the data. It was good that you talked about the context, because the most important thing right now is to put the web analytics data into the right context. So if you are measuring your email campaign, you should have your web analytics data in that system where you manage the email campaigns. So that's my topic for today. When I was thinking what to speak about today, I studied what are the current challenges using web analytics, and many customers say that although it's very important, we are working with a couple of thousands of SMEs in Finland right now. We are doing on a daily level going through the web analytics stuff, and really it's very basic stuff that we are working on. So they see that web analytics is important, and they see the benefit of that, but doing web analytics is difficult and too time consuming. Okay, what we can do with that is we can of course educate the customer to understand more web analytics, but really there needs to be also technical means to make the usage of the data more automated. And in the end, customers are not interested in web analytics reports. They are just interested in doing a better website, doing a better email campaign, doing more effective search engine marketing, getting leads. And that's the main thing. If we think of internet marketing, there's all the time coming more and more tools that should be used. Now social media is something, there's plenty of tools to monitor and manage social media, and we have many other tools also, and they are not very well connected to each other. So when you want to, for example, do search engine marketing optimization, you need quite a lot of manual work to go in between the search engine marketing tool and the web analytics tool. The same applies for other tools as well. So as our mission in Snoobi is that we want to make the web analytics based optimization of marketing and sales more automated and more easy. And that's we can achieve that with working with other tools. Okay, so if we look at what are the tools, sales and marketing tools of an SME, typical SME nowadays. Of course, they have a website, they have some kind of content management system. Somebody manages that and makes edits to the content. Then we have the search engine marketing tools. We need to get some people come to our website now that we have it. We have the AdWords editor, for example, to do that. We might have different kinds of emailing marketing tools to do marketing to our current customer base or to get potential leads. That's one tool. If we do display advertising, typically through media agencies, they have their tools to handle that. Social media is something. Companies are building Facebook pages, are using other tools to manage the social media. We have, of course, CRM systems. We have plenty of other tools, and also the web analytics tools. So if you think of basic Finnish company, there's pretty many tools that you have to know how to use those. And for example, when you are doing email campaigns, you want to analyze the effect of that. You need to go in between these tools and really know how to get the most important data from the web analytics, and that's manual work. What should happen is that the web analytics data should be better integrated inside these tools where you do this work. I have many examples of this. The things I'm going to show you, they are partly they are already there. Some of these concepts we are building them with our partners, so they will be there in a couple of months or during this year. My favorite is the CRM. So CRM powered by web analytics. As you know, from the web analytics tool, you can see based on the IP address which companies are visiting your website. So for example, if you have a sales team that wants to target new customers, one good source for leads is your website. So visitors are going through your website, and web analytics system tracks those. Those leads, for example, that these 10 or 50 interesting companies have been on your website. That data can be connected to your CRM system, so the sales team and sales managers can get more leads. What we've done is connected also asiakastieto. Anders said an example of that about the IP-based targeting. We have that also there, and you can get more richer data to your CRM system. This is a screenshot from Microsoft Dynamics. You see the basic Microsoft Dynamics tabs here. So that's about sales and marketing, and then you have the Snoobi data here. And what you can see, it's not very accurate picture, but here you can see all the companies inside your CRM system that have visited your website. From the sales manager's point of view, he doesn't really care where the data comes from. The most important thing is that he gets leads. This data can come from Snoobi or Google Analytics or Omnichannel or whatever. All of these tools are building up APIs that can be used to fetch this kind of data to the CRM system. For example, here we can see that okay, these companies have been visiting the website. Where are they from? When did they visit? How many visits they have done? How many page views? You know, there's this kind of scoring model that the more you do interesting stuff on the website. For example, if you go to some interesting page, you get 5 points. If you go to another interesting page, you get 10 more points. So we calculate how many points the visitors have gotten and segment the visitor based on the behavior. And with this data, sales managers or the salespeople can generate new leads to their sales funnel. When clicking on some organization, we can see what they have done on the website. This is very important to get a feel if this is a good lead or not. So if they have just come to the front page and then leave, then it's not interesting. This is pretty new stuff for us. There isn't many CRM systems right now that support this generating web leads from the website. But we've done this with Phoenix Solutions in Finland, for Microsoft Dynamics, and also with Salesforce. And we are rolling this out and trying to spread the message that you can have hot web leads on your CRM system. I think the main thing right now is that customers don't know about these possibilities, and that's what we want to tackle. Okay. From the user's perspective, getting this kind of tool needs to be very easy. Many times, there's very big interest that, okay, this sounds very good, but the implementation itself is too difficult, too time-consuming. What happens nowadays is that first you log into the Salesforce, you just click connect, and if you use Facebook or Google, you've been seeing these kinds of questions that do allow some other application to access your Google Analytics or Snoobi data, and if you just click yes, then the application can fetch automatically the data from the tool and do those stuff that I just showed you. This is something that wasn't there, this technology, a couple of years ago. It's called open authentication, and it's been massively rolling out right now. Facebook, Twitter, Google, they all support this, and I believe that in the future this kind of connecting the tools it will happen more and more. Okay, let's go to the search engine marketing. Search engine marketing tool, the main tool is the Google AdWords interface. By default, you don't have any web analytics data there.